Hello YouTube, we're going to be building today on YouTube. This is the first building video of Legos. So, this is how to build a Lego Minecraft Steve. You're going to need these pieces, only two textures. That piece, which is Steve's mouth. This piece, which is Steve's eyes. Of course. Yeah. Need to stack these. So there's a stacked one. Stack one of these pieces on. So it's like this. I grabbed it and put that in one of these. And put it on one of those, but with a handle on it, and then put it on another one, then a gray one. So it's like this. Then put a knife in his hand, and there's your Stevie. There's your Steve. Okay. Post in the comments below what you want me to build next. And Super Jude says out.